Alright guys, so you're looking at LDPlayer 14 beta right now. And I'm not going to do a deep dive into everything it offers today, but I'll say this much. The compatibility on this version is genuinely impressive. Apps that simply refuse to run on Android 7, 9, or even 11, they work here. I tested Facebook Messenger and it ran without a single issue, something older emulator versions have never been able to do. I also tested BlueStacks with Android 13 beta, and Messenger ran there too, which tells you that the newer the Android version, the better your app compatibility gets. But today, we're here to fix LDPlayer 9, because let's be real, most of us are still on it, and it has this one very specific issue that's been driving people crazy. It gets stuck at 50% or 94%, and just refuses to launch. So let me actually download it right now and show you it happening live. Okay, while that's downloading, I'm going to pause the video so I don't waste your time sitting here watching a progress bar. Alright, let's launch it, and watch what happens. There it is, stuck at 94%, exactly like I said. Now, the reason this happens is one specific thing: Virtualization-Based Security. If this is running on your system, LDPlayer 9 cannot start its engine properly, and on newer PCs with TPM 2.0, Windows keeps this enabled automatically, which is why even people who've done the basic fixes are still stuck. So here's exactly how we fix it, step by step. First, open Command Prompt as administrator. Right-click the Start button, hit Terminal, Admin, or search CMD and run as admin. Now paste this command exactly as it is. BCDedit /set Hypervisor launch type off. Hit Enter and wait for it to say, "The operation completed successfully." That's step 1 done. Now, why isn't turning off Hyper-V from Windows features enough on its own? Because Windows uses something called the Hypervisor launch type separately in the boot configuration. And if that's still set to auto, Hyper-V keeps loading at startup regardless of what you unchecked. This command forces it completely off at the boot level. Next, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Go to Programs, then click Turn Windows Features on or off. Here, we need to make sure 3 things are unchecked. At the very top, you'll find Hyper-V. Uncheck it. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Uncheck both of those as well. Now here's something that most tutorials don't tell you, and I'm only mentioning this because I've run into it myself. Sometimes, even after unchecking these 2, the issue comes back. Why? Because unchecking alone doesn't fully uninstall the feature. You need to actually let Windows install the change. So what you do is, check both boxes, restart your PC so Windows registers the install, then come back and uncheck them again, and restart one more time. That second restart is what properly removes the feature from your system. After your restart, go ahead and launch LDPlayer, and you should see it load past 94% without getting stuck. Now, if you still have the issue after all of this, there's one more thing to check. Open Windows Security, go to Device Security, then click on Core Isolation Details, and turn off Memory Integrity. Restart after that, and LDPlayer should be fully working. I know that's a few steps, but the reason it takes this many is because Windows 11, especially on newer machines with TPM, layers multiple security features on top of each other, and LDPlayer 9's engine conflicts with all of them. Anyway, I hope this fixed it for you, and if you haven't checked out LDPlayer 14 beta yet, the link is in the description. It handles all of this much more gracefully. Same goes for BlueStacks if you want to try something different. Android 13 Beta is available right inside the Multi-Instance Manager. It's actually really smooth. Take care and drop your next topic in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!